Alright, Michael, are you ready for this adventure?
So this adventure started at 3:30 a.m.
What time is it?
3:30 a.m.
It's time to go. Are you awake, Michael? No.
Got here is 12 suitcases, 9 giant tents, 3 personal luggages, and we're about to check in.
Okay, just to explain a little bit, this entire trip was sponsored by Island Front, a resort in El Nido. They paid for the flights, the stay, the food, the van rides, the tours. Basically everything was covered by Island Front because we were there to help them make some videos as well. That's why we had a bunch of tents with us, because they were having them delivered from Manila. Anyways, back to the story. El Nido. Just arrived in El Nido. We're watching the sunset. Las Cabañas.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Daddy.
That was you then, Michael.
Oh, salamat po. Alright guys, right now we're at Kuyaya Falls. Oh, I need to do... What's up everyone? Right now we're at Kuyaya Falls with our one and only tour guide from El Nido, John Mark. He's the one who created the coconut hat. Oh, done. That's how he gets the ladies with... Whoa. Secret about a good shot is the framing and look. We're gonna be shooting through these leaves onto the subject. It's gonna be so great, alright? Alright, we got it. So we gotta kind of adjust. Oh my gosh, it's ants!
Okay, we're going to the second falls now. We just finished the first.
My ears hurt. I think I popped my ears.
This hat is made by the one and only Joe Mart. And look at him with his coconut leaves.
And now I'm making another stuff.
Yes.
It's a bird.
He's making a bird. So far he's made this really cool hat. It's even wearable, waterproof. He's made
Oh, there you go.
a duck. Look at that. He's made a fish so then they can like hang out and chill. And he's made a grasshopper over there. Now he's gonna make a bird. What in the world?
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian
This is Zuli Beach. Came here to go surfing, but it's too late, so we're gonna come back on Thursday, but it's so chill here. So that whole sequence that we did is because we were super excited to go island hopping that day. But due to some communication errors, we were not able to go. So we went surfing instead. Okay, back to the video.
Hey guys, right now we're at the beach and Jeremy's doing something super crazy. Look at this.
I'm gonna try to fly the GoPro Fusion with the drone.
Oh my gosh, it's working! What is going on? His GoPro Fusion is flopping! It's got the 360 view. Ah! What's going on? It's out of control! Oh. No. I'll have the smallest piece ever. Let's do that.
On the bell.
Still watch the sunset like pretty much.
Okay, we just finished watching the sunset at this beautiful beach. We're like the only ones here. And the bugs are biting us. We already recorded this, but I wasn't recording.
It's a beautiful sunset with the bugs.
Michael, you...
What's my back leg?
It looks like a...
Okay, we can show
It looks like a normal back.
Using 4-wheel drive. Click on this is the secret button.
How do you figure it out in 2 seconds? Here.
Maybe here then, Diko. Okay guys, we're having some adventure here with the car, so we got stuck. Michael is so serious and focused. Teamwork! Go guys! Go, go, go! Up! Go, 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 go! Yeah!
Wait, is it harder ground here?
Yeah, just fast.
Turn right, turn right. Keep going, Dan! Keep push! We have kasokos.
Alright, right after this, I think we ended up putting the cameras down because it got a little stressful. So we ended up getting stuck again, but we ended up pushing ourselves out. So, cha-ching! Alright, this is it. This is the time. We're finally going on island tour A.